Once upon a time, in a lush green forest bordering a quaint village, lived a cheerful young panda named Bamboo. Bamboo was no ordinary panda. He had a curious heart and a deep sense of wonder for the world beyond the trees. One evening, as Bamboo lounged lazily atop his favorite bamboo shoot, he noticed colorful lights twinkling in the distance. They resembled fireflies, but were far too bright to be. Curious and excited, Bamboo decided to follow the lights. With each step, Bamboo's big, soft paws made little sounds against the leaves, and though a little nervous, his eager eyes urged him forward. He soon found himself at the edge of the village, where he saw strings of colorful lanterns hanging outside every home. The entire street was illuminated in a way Bamboo had never seen before. The enchanting glow led Bamboo deeper into the village, where he saw families gathered, laughter shared, and the warm scent of delicious food wafting through the air. Drawn by the mouth-watering aroma, Bamboo wandered near a cozy home. Near the door, a little girl in a lovely hijab spotted him. "Mama, look, a panda!" she exclaimed with excitement. The whole family turned with wide eyes and smiles. "Welcome to our home," the mother said gently, extending her hand. This gracious family was celebrating Ramadan, a holy month in which Muslims fast from dawn to dusk, reflecting on compassion, sharing, and inner growth. Curious to learn more, Bamboo was invited in by the family. They explained to Bamboo that the twinkling lights he saw were lanterns they hung up to celebrate Ramadan. As evening turned into night, the family sat down and invited Bamboo to join them as they broke their fast with a meal called iftar. Bamboo happily accepted and nibbled on some fresh fruit they offered, while the family enjoyed dates and a hearty soup. Bamboo listened intently as the father talked about the meaning behind Ramadan and how fasting during the day helps them appreciate the blessings they have and share with those who need it. Bamboo felt a warm, fuzzy feeling in his heart, understanding the importance of compassion and sharing. As the night wore on, Bamboo joined the family in lighting candles and beautiful lanterns, hanging them outside together under the starry sky. Feeling like a part of this loving family, Bamboo finally returned to his bamboo trees, filled with joy and gratitude for having found such kind-hearted friends. For the first time, Bamboo understood what it meant to carry the light of kindness in one's heart. And so every Ramadan, Bamboo would return to the village to celebrate with his beloved friends. Always welcomed as part of their family, Bamboo would light the night with lanterns and shared smiles.